with Marcy. I got my ice in my cup. Let me set it right here. Ice in the cup. Yeah. Putting caramel on it. I gotta blend my coffee, guys. This is what I use for my syrup. Okay, that's coffee time with the Marcy. That means stand at attention. This is what we got going on, guys. This is my coffee. Way to go, Marcy. Yum. As it yummo. Go be great, guys. Hey, you guys, you're cooking with Marcy. I'm going to make me some breakfast bites. And then I'm going to put them in a baggie so I can just grab them. I didn't do my hair or makeup, so pay no attention to that. But I'm cooking with Marcy. I used to do this a lot. I don't do it as much as I used to. But anyway, I decided to do it today. So I'm going to dice up these peppers, and I'm going to put broccoli, red peppers, maybe a little sprinkle of bacon, cheese. Mix with 4 eggs, guys. Then I'm going to bake them into a little muffin-looking thing. I'll show you my tin in just a second. Well, it's right here. We'll put them in here. This is for the mini muffins. I don't usually eat but twice a day, so I just want to be able to have some protein I can grab. Sometimes I mix spinach in with these. And I don't have any spinach, so I got some broccoli. But I want to saute these peppers before I put them in my muffin tin. It's like my tripod's doing something. I keep hearing a noise. But anyway, how are you doing today? I pray all is well with you. Now I'm going to get my broccoli so I can put this in the pan. Do you all like this little knife? Isn't that cute? This is a Calphalon knife. I really like the Calphalon. I have some Calphalon pans too. I'll have to show them to you sometime. But now I'm going to grab my peppers here. Not peppers, broccoli. Here's my broccoli. Putting that in my bowl. Then I'll crack my eggs after I saute these peppers. I got to get a little butter. Butter makes it better. Let me get this going. I only use half of the pepper. These are for little muffins, so that should be enough. Let me put this butter away. Put my knife in the sink. I'm going to go ahead and crack my eggs. Let me check my tripod, guys. I think it's okay. 1 egg, 2 eggs. I have cooked professionally. I worked in a school for 15 years while raising my children, and I was the salad cook. I don't know why that keeps making noises. And I'm going to add my cheese. Well, let me add some minced onion. I really like onion flavors, and I may put some bacon bits in here too. And my cheese. And I'm going to add my peppers. Don't need a whole lot. I may add a little milk. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to grab some bacon bits. Okay? Well, did I use them all? Okay. I just got finished with my workout. I do a 15-minute walking workout. Just finished that. And I thought I'll bake these and I'll have this for my lunch. I'll eat 2 of them. And if I'm really hungry, I'll eat 3. You see, they're small. If I can get these bacon bits open. Okay, finally. I like the ones that say real bacon. I don't like those hard imitation things. And I don't want a lot. I just want the flavor. I might put a little bit of bacon grease in there. I just need my peppers to get soft, guys. I already got my oven on. What I always do is I make it up and then I cook it, and then I'll show you the finished product, okay? I always attach a picture. I want you guys to remember to be the reason someone smiles today. Flash your pearly whites at them. Yes, that's what I want. I want everybody to be happy, even in this economy, because we know we serve a God who's more than able to do exceedingly abundantly more than we can ask or think. That's the scripture. That is Ephesians 3:20, one of my favorites. And I share it every chance I get, guys. And I'm going to spray this down, hoping I have enough. I can tell I need more. Let me know, guys, can you hear the music in the background? I just got to put my peppers in there. I don't really need this top. Yeah. Here they are, all sauteed. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that. I may get an ice cream scoop to dip with. Put these back. I don't need milk, I don't think. That's what it looks like. Okay. Let me get an ice cream scoop. Here I have one. And I'll try to wash up my dishes right after I fix something. See, that's going to be really good. Do you like red peppers, guys? I do. I like red peppers and green peppers. I don't know what that is. It maybe came out of the bacon bit. I don't know. Okay. Do you all enjoy cooking? I do, on my own terms. I don't want to have to cook. And of course, I have a little left. I'm going to have to do a little bit more after I do these. But I'm going to put them in a baggie, a large baggie, and put them in the, I don't think it'll spill over. I'm going to put these on in the oven, just like this. Okay, guys, that's what I wanted to share today. So I haven't said, I want you to be blessed and bless someone else. I want you all to go be great. And I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I want to bless you to just go be great. I'll come back with a picture or something and let you know what they turned out, how they turned out. Okay, guys, go be great. Marcy loves you. Hey, you guys, this is the finished product. I'm going to take them out and put them in this container, and I'll freeze them. I was going to put them in a baggie, but I think I'd rather just have this container I can pop open. See, I'll have 2 of those or 3 of those my lunch. I don't eat lunch until about 2 o'clock, just to get some protein and good healthy food before I have a meal. So I wanted to make sure I showed you the finished product. And they pop out of there real nice like. And I had a little bit left, so maybe I'll eat that one. Those turned out really nice, guys. You know how you can get those little breakfast bites from Starbucks? Make your own, girl. Make your own. Make your own. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and I left my dishwater so I can just clean these pans right up. That's a key. Clean as you go. Clean as you go. That'll just flop right out of there. That's awesome. But anyway, that's what I wanted to share, and I wanted you to see the finished product. How about that? And see, I'll be able to just grab one of those and pop it into the air fryer. Now that's cooking with Marcy. Go be great. Hello guys, this is Marcy Keeping It Real. This is my kitten heel. This is what I'm wearing with this outfit. You put my shoe back on, guys. I just wanted to share this OOTD with you guys. These pants have split in the back. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm going to walk up. They got a split in the back, both of them. Got imitation pockets. I love this orange sweater. I think I probably wear it once a year. Fall. Got black buttons. Isn't that pretty? I have worn it before, but with a different combination. I think I had it on a turtleneck. And I have a short sleeve shirt on, so it doesn't get too hot. But this is my OOTD. I like to bring color to my face. What do y'all think about this fit? Give me a comment. Talk to me, guys. What's going on in your world? How is the weather where you are? It is nice here. The sun's shining. It's pretty outside, colorful. But fall is definitely here. And I'm not sure I'm ready. But I don't have to be, right? What's going to be is going to be. But I'm going to walk back and up and be done with this part. How about that? Look at my necklace. I've had this for a little while. I can't remember where I got it. But I like it. Isn't it pretty? Hey guys, this is Marcy keeping it real. This is my OOTD. Let me share a scripture like I do. Greater is he who is in me than he who is in the world. I like that one. Maybe you will too. All right, guys. Catch you later. Go be great.